Hey there, so if you missed video number 1 that I put out just today, you might want to watch that because that's the front side of this pocket page layout. But right now I'm working on the back side of my layout. I already have my photos that I created in the Collect app and my tags from the Elle Studio July 2018 kit in place. Now I have this green tag down here, and I also have this green grid from the Shine 6" by 6" paper stack, and I know I want to add some kind of element to the top of that. Now these two tags here, I'm going to add my journaling with Photoshop Elements and my printer, so I'm just going to go do that really quickly and then come back so I can embellish those. Okay, so I've added my journaling to the awesome tag, the days of the week tag, and the yellow tag here. I've also die cut a Mickey head. How fun is that? From here's the Shine 6" by 6" stack. And I love that it's kind of a tone on tone pattern. You can just see the outline of the Mickey head there. And the reason why I added that is because my daughter in that bottom left hand photo is dancing the what is it called? It's like the hot dog dance. That's it. The hot dog dance from Mickey's Clubhouse. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the tag. And I've already added my journaling to the bottom of that one. Not much needed there. I'm going to put that on the left hand side of the tag. You can see I've also added this square photo to the top of my 4" by 6" tag here. I love these tags because they just give you an opportunity to add something more, like an embellishment, like the month that you're documenting or the place that you're documenting, maybe some extra journaling, or like I did here, an extra photo because I have a photo from the same day, the black and white one down there, and I really wanted to add that photo in as well. So what I'm doing here is just adding a few of the noteworthy embellishments to the center of those starburst there. The little blue heart is from the July 2018 kit, and then that star is from the Noteworthy Bits and Pieces. And now I'm going to add this noteworthy epoxy sticker to the center of that one. So all circular elements to kind of tie that together, just in different colors. And I'm going to add these with dimensional adhesive here. Or at least that one. This one I'm going to add with just some regular adhesive. Okay, so these are the noteworthy puffy stickers. I want to put a little bit more color down here on the left side. And I know using this green captured sticker will kind of tie in that green that I have next to it. Just looking through those phrases wood veneer to see if any of those would work. But I'm going to go ahead and add this right to the top of my photo. And then the yellow star from the same puppy sticker set. Just looking around here to see what else I have on my desk that I could add. I think that's a bit too bold, but I love what the teal one adds. Just going to pull up that puppy sticker. It's something I love about puppy stickers is that they're so easy to move. Perfect. I like that little grouping there. Just going to go ahead and complete that with my tiny attacher. So the pull time wood veneer set is perfect for this photo up in the top right corner. This one says Splish Splash, and what better photo to use it with than this one of my daughter at our neighborhood water park. Just perfect. Just grabbing the highlight stamp to see if there's anything I can add on here. And I'm going to grab the day stamp to add to the top right corner of the yellow tag there. Just need to grab an ink pad. I'm going to be using navy blue for this one, just so it shows up really well against that yellow. I always stamp on these Amy Tangerine pads. I don't know if you guys remember them, but they were for like, punching small holes to do stitching with, but I really find that they're perfect for getting a really good stamped image too. So I've learned after years of working with these kits that if I don't know what else to add, go back to the die cut sheets. And of course I found the perfect little tag. It says "this story," and I love that it draws your eye from that photo over to the story about the photo on the left, so couldn't be more perfect at all. Still looking through the various bits and pieces. You can tell that when I'm doing this, when I'm putting together a pocket page, my desk is an absolute wreck because I like to have everything that I might want to use out in front of me, just so I can grab and go, I guess. Adding just one of those phrases wood veneers to the top left corner. This photo of myself with my dog is a really good one. And I think it could be good there to add a little bit of color to the bottom because I'm really missing some bold color on the bottom right hand side. Plus, if I added that today, die cut to the top there, then that would create a nice visual triangle of yellow. So we're going to go with that. This time I'm just going to add it on with a bit of permanent adhesive. That adhesive is clear, so it's really hard to see. Now the puffy heart stickers. This is the summer mix that we have this month. I'm going to put that right in the middle there. I'm going to go ahead and adhere the this story die cut piece, and of course add another puffy heart sticker there. I want to leave that days of the week one just as it is because it's so beautiful with all of those colors. And this is a tip for you guys. What I love to do is add in one tag that incorporates all the colors in my page. I really think that it brings it all together so nicely. So this everyday phrases stamp says everyday goodness. And these little, there are two little die cuts in the kit. One is an asterisk, one has a heart on it. They're mostly white, but they're so cute. I really, really love them. I wish I had more of them. And I'm going to stamp. They work out to be the perfect size for those everyday phrases stamps. So I'm going to stamp the everyday goodness one here. Gotta love the see-through stamps for that sort of thing. It makes it so much easier to get it right on the first try. And I'm going to adhere that using dimensional adhesive. You can see that I use every last bit of my dimensional adhesive. Okay, at the bottom of the awesome tag, it looks a little bit bare. So I'm just going to see what I can do with my awesome tag here. Don't really have much navy blue, so I'm going to add that to the top corner. I'm going to put another puppy heart sticker right in the middle. Just need to find the right color here. There we go, the green next to it. Looks pretty great. And with that last addition, I'm going to call this layout complete. So I love the little touches that I added to this page, that custom die cut Mickey head, so fun. That tag couldn't be more perfect. Splish splash with that photo and those starbursts, really cool. I love this awesome tag. It's just so fun and graphic. It's just my style. And that days of the week tag couldn't have been more perfect to tie in all of the colors that I have going on this page. So there you have it, another fun page created with the Elle Studio July 2018 kit and add-ons. Be sure to check them out while supplies last via the link in my video notes. Thanks so much for watching and happy creating.